This one's for the girls. I'm gonna show you guys the most amazing and seamless nipple covers ever. Now, I have bigger chest than most women do, naturally. So because of that, I refuse to wear bras with the padding. Like even the padding that's like this much, no. We're not doing that. We're doing no lining, none. Just a wire, that's it. A pair that I haven't used yet. Look at how thin. Look how thin. Oh my gosh, it was so hard for me to find a good pair of shields because they were like thick and I'm like, wait, why do they look like that? These are the Busties premium nipple covers and they come in a pack of 2, so they come with 4 nipple covers, and the link is in my bio. You can get them right on my Amazon storefront. They're actually amazing, and if you have small boobs, you don't even have to, like, this is all you need for like your entire life. Like, never have to buy a bra again, because if I were you, that's exactly what I would do.